Hello, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to another episode of Achieve Financial Freedom Every Single Day. Today's episode is about working from home by writingsjobsonline.com. This website has been fantastic to me, but mainly because I love to write. So if you love to write, get paid for it. Why not? So on this website, I'm going to show you how you can get paid online by writing. So the first thing you want to do is sign up for writingsjobsonline.com. Down below this video, I will have the website how you can sign up online.com for only $1 sign up. That is fantastic, right? So on this website, get paid to write at home. The first thing you'll do is listen to the tutorial. So she's going to talk about how you can write online, a little bit more details about it. Mainly, she's going to talk about all the opportunities that you can have by writingonline.com right from your home.
Do you want to make extra money writing online?
So that's a little bit about it. So writingonline.com. Down here you can see get paid to write articles, blog posts, ebooks, and many, many more. So it also talks more about your 7-day trial. So you'll click right here, and right here you'll sign up as a membership. Access to Writing Jobs database, free writing softwares, free organizer softwares, writing manual, everything is free here. So you choose the job you want to do in terms of writing. So right down here, it does says the promo ends on August 20th. I believe this will extend. So if you don't sign up today, you do have plenty of time to sign up this week and even next week for only $1. So join now if you want that freedom, that financial freedom to writeathome.com. Write it right from your living room. I think it's fantastic. I've done it for a while and it's good and it's definitely refreshing, especially if writing is your passion. You can write right from your kitchen. You can write from your vacation. You travel, if you travel, thing like that. So I'm Adam Shelton to giving you Achieving Financial Freedom every single day. If you like this page, please subscribe. Show a like, any comments below. If you like this page, sign up today. It is your #1 resources for high-paying jobs. So sign up today. I would love to see you signing up for this. And I'll see you on the next video. Adam Shelton, Achieve Financial Freedom every single day.